Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Trick. Somebody's wanting to rename some of their custom palettes. So I didn't know, so I just went to Tools and Product Help, and right here I searched Edit or Rename Custom Palettes or Rename Palette, Color Palette. So the way you do this, we're going to open up, let's open up our palette. So I'm going to do exactly what it says. Go to Windows, Dockers, Palettes. And right here, we've got Bill's flowers and we've got John's map. He wants it in some sort of order so he can find them quicker. I am going to double click. Sometimes it doesn't work. Well, I had it. There we go. Then all you have to do is just cursor over it and put a 1. And I'm actually going to put a space and then hit enter. So now in our palettes, we've got them all open. But if you look, we have Bill's flower. Now let's do John's map. I would check it and then double click on it. Sometimes it takes, you've got to just keep clicking till you get a box. I don't know if you, there we go. Maybe you double click and then go over to the X. So don't, just type in 2 and enter. So now when we open up that palette editor, we can go to Windows, Palettes, and Palettes. Look at there. We've got 1, Bill's flowers, 2, so it's in a numerical order. Now, I want my RGB open, but if I want Bill's flowers, now I've got Bill's flowers from a previous customer, in this way he's got them in a numerical order. You could probably put an A, B, C, but I think it would kind of get confusing because you can always add 1, 2, 3, and it's going to put it in that order. Pretty cool. Hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.